Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're excited to have you here. Stay tuned for great content.
Top New Collection Electric Chainsaw Reviews 2026.
Number 4.
Product sell points. Versatile cutting depth. Boasts a max cutting depth in wood of 65 mm and in PVC pipe of 60 mm. Ideal for diverse DIY tasks. Compatible with Makita battery. Designed to work seamlessly with Makita 18VB series lithium batteries for reliable power.
Number 3.
V Cordless Reciprocating Saw with rechargeable battery delivers adjustable speed for efficient cutting. Ideal for wood, metal, and pipe cutting, it features a powerful motor, ergonomic grip, tool-free blade change, and portable design, making it perfect for DIY, construction, pruning, and household power tool tasks.
Number 2.
Features: convenient to use. Compared to traditional electric chainsaws, this chainsaw is more light and portable, and also easier to storage, easy to modify. With this modification toolset, you do not need to buy a new electric chainsaws. Auxiliary handle. The auxiliary handle can also be assembled easily. You can hold it tightly when using the machine, give you a comfortable use experience.
Number 1.
Small and Micro Multifunction Table Saw is a compact desktop cutting machine designed for DIY models, PCB cutting, and light woodworking. Features: precise cutting, stable base, adjustable depth, mini electric motor, and easy operation for household crafts.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media, for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.